Okay, so I'm just repairing my GoPro. All I've done was I popped this off, got 3 screws off so far, just unscrewing the last one now. I've got a tutorial on this. I'm going to link you to the tutorial that I'm using at the bottom. And what's happened is this GoPro, now let's just pry it off. This GoPro has sustained some massive damage. Well, not massive damage, but the lens has become scratched and just tired looking over time. So I've got 2 Hero 3 blacks. Oh, I've got 3, but one of them is fine. Well, one of them the lens. Oh, I could have swapped the broken lens off the other one. Never mind. Well, I've got one that. Oh, got to be careful. Almost ripped that thing, didn't I? No. I'm getting there. Almost there. So we're halfway. I like to call this the halfway mark. This is where everything has been taken apart. All that's left to do now is to put it all back together again. So, oh, that's interesting. Oh, there we go. Right. Put that back on it just to protect the lens, so I don't scratch this while I'm putting it in. Right, now I don't want to get any dirt or debris in there, so make sure you make sure you get some air in there. Not going to be fun, this. Oh, putting these screws back on that are not magnetic. Oh wait, maybe these aren't magnetic. For goodness sake. Why do I buy these things that are not magnetic? Just got to do this. What's it? This is magnetic. Let's just... try to magnetise this a bit. Yes! Oh, I love that trick. So yeah, just rubber magnet on it. Oh yes, got some oh, look at that. Oh, staying as well. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh. Oh. Oh yes. This is no big deal. This is no big deal. Oh. Oh. Okay, why are my hands shaking so much? Do I need a stiff drink? Why am I so nervous? Oh, I don't believe this. That is probably the worst thing that could possibly happen. The smallest screw and I've just dropped it. Right, I'm going to get up very carefully. Right, this is literally the worst thing to ever happen to anyone ever. Oh. That screw was so tiny. Where has it gone? It could have got stuck in one. Oh, I heard something. Nope. Did it go under the piano? Oh, if it went under the piano, we are screwed. Get it? Screwed. It's that screw. So, this is my view of things now. I don't think we need that screw. It's weight reduction, bro. Listen, GoPros weigh a ton when on the side of a helmet. My friend will thank me. It's fine. He hates the weight of it anyway. James does. And to be fair, it is a heavy camera to have on the side of a mount. And has this lost its... Still got some. Right. For goodness sake. Right. See? It's easy. Ooh, might be cross-threading that one. Doesn't matter if it's cross-threaded. Why did I just fall off the table? I do not know. Oh, it's the plastic cap. Okay. This is actually hurting quite a bit. Right, I think that one actually is really, yeah, that one really didn't feel great. Not gonna lie, that stabbing yourself in the finger with a circuit board. I think my finger is starting to swell up a bit, pretty quick actually. Great. Motorbike riding. Yeah, it is swelling up. What an idiot. Right, I've just stabbed myself. Maybe I should have just bought a new camera. I think it would have been less aggro than this. Ugh.
Oh, but this guy did it so easily on the video.
Yes, but this guy's done it a million times before in the video. Okay, let's put that ribbon thing back on. Right. Anyone asks me, oh, you repaired your GoPro. Can you do mine? Can I do yours? No. Because last time I really hurt my finger. So I think it's slowing down on the bleed now. Oh, it pains right there. Right there is where I stabbed it. Oh, I feel all lightheaded now. Freaking GoPro replacement. I know what the title of this video is going to be. It's going to be called GoPro Repair. GoPro Hero 3 Repair, There Will Be Blood. I'm kind of scared now to like do this because I'm just shaking because I've stabbed myself so many times today. I stabbed myself earlier with a screwdriver. Stabbed myself in here. This is great. Right, is that one? Oh, it's so close. Oh, okay. Oh, it's getting hot now. This is exhausting, this work is. Absolutely exhausting. Right, the camera is back on, the sensor's back in. Now it's just a case of getting this wired in. All the way. Hard to tell. Well, we'll soon find out if it's not. I think that's the LCD's display. Right, so I think before I screw it all back together, let's just have a quick test. All I want is for it to power on. We'll worry about the lens in a sec. Plug it into the... what is that say? Power in. For some reason this button doesn't work unless you use that button. Oh, thank goodness for that, the GoPro turned on. Cool. Cool. Right, so, turn the light on so you can see. Hello! Right, have a look at the cat. Me. This is actually really creepy. Right. So, approaching wide. Hey! That's pretty good. What do you think?